Goals: How to Get Everything You Want Faster Than You Ever Thought Possible is a book written by Tracy that aims to help readers set and achieve their goals. The book suggests that setting clear, specific goals is the key to success and offers a number of strategies for setting and achieving goals. One of the main strategies the book recommends is to break larger goals down into smaller, more manageable tasks. This can make the goal feel less overwhelming and make it easier to track progress. The book also advises setting deadlines for each task, as this can help to increase motivation and focus. Another key strategy the book recommends is to take action as soon as possible. According to the book, procrastination is one of the main barriers to achieving goals, and taking action right away can help to overcome this. The book also suggests setting aside time for focused work on goals, and minimizing distractions during this time. In addition to these strategies, the book also emphasizes the importance of having a positive attitude and being persistent in the face of challenges. The book encourages readers to visualize their goals as already being achieved, and to believe in their own abilities to make their goals a reality. It also advises readers to be resilient in the face of setbacks, and to keep moving forward towards their goals. Overall, Goals: How to Get Everything You Want Faster Than You Ever Thought Possible offers a number of practical strategies for setting and achieving goals, and encourages readers to take action and persevere in the face of challenges.